This pipeline is too open. There's supposed to be a round metal piece around it to protect anything from coming down. This is where the diarrhea came down. It stinks so bad in here. The smell is disgusting. Oh my God. It really does smell. That means there's some type of fume that's coming out of there. That's the size of it. It's about 2 inches, 3 inches. And they didn't notice this to take care of? Come on. Lead. That's all lead in there. There's inspection for that too on March 4th. I gotta get down. It's disgusting, the smell. Falling. My cat. I have to clean it up because my cat gets in here and he goes by the pipe all the time. He'll sniff it and get sick. This is in the bathroom. I'm sure it's not healthy for the animal or me. They were in here and they didn't take care of it. This is what upsets me very much so. All over. Okay. I'm going to put it in there so they can have. That's it. That's where the diarrhea